This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring VLC is updated and that both the video and its subtitle file are available locally. This avoids streaming lag. Open the video, tap the screen to expose controls, and then tap the subtitle icon to load or select an external subtitle. Once loaded, make sure the subtitle track is active. You do this now because incorrect track selection or a remote file can cause persistent delay. Fixing it here prevents wasted adjustments later. Next, navigate to the subtitle delay control in the playback or subtitle settings. This is where you directly shift timing. Use the plus or minus buttons to move subtitles forward or backward. Short presses adjust slowly, long press to jump faster. Once you make a change, play a scene and watch for sync over 5 to 10 seconds. This method lets you hear dialogue, see text alignment, and iteratively converge on the correct offset. You want subtitles to land with speech, not trailing or leading it. Finally, when timing matches speech, save the subtitle delay or let VLC remember it for this file so you don't repeat the work. If the sync still drifts, swap the subtitle file or re-encode the video to a common frame rate. Mismatched frame rates cause progressive drift. If subtitles aren't responding at all, clear VLC's cache or reinstall the app. Make sure background processes aren't limiting CPU, because playback lag can mimic subtitle delay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.